Okay, so assuming you have your LapStacker Flex installed on your wheelchair and you're ready to go with it, a couple of things to take note of. First off, when you're using the straps, please don't let them go uncontrolled. And the reason for this is there can be quite a bit of force that can crack or damage not only the buckle holder, but also the buckle. So take care to release those, release them gently, and place them back into the buckle holders. The second thing is when you're tightening the adjustment straps for the LapStacker Flex, take care. I know many of us have strong arms from pushing all the time, so you really can damage them if you over tension them. So just take note of that. The third thing is, please don't lift the wheelchair by the tension straps. They're not designed to take the full weight of a wheelchair, and if you do so, they could break. And the last thing I'll say is that these components here from the LapStacker are not designed to take body weight. If you transfer or put your full weight on the buckle or the buckle holders, there's a chance they might break. So take care when transferring as best you can, and your LapStacker should give you years of use. Thanks so much for purchasing a LapStacker, and as always, if you have any questions or you need support, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help.